morning. Good morning. So basically I haven't vlogged for 2 days and a lot's happened. Yeah, I went to the farm that I was supposed to work at for the next 3 months at least, and I got there. The first person I met, I said, "Oh, how are you finding the job?" And he's like, I hate it. And I was like, "Oh, okay, why?" And he's like, "I'm getting paid bugger all, and the accommodation's really shit." It was, and it was. I don't know how I feel about this place at all. Yeah, first impressions, this place is not good. So my first day of fruit picking, I just worked out. I pretty much earned $21 an hour today. $21 is not worth my time. And that was with the help of someone else who's a really good picker, the best picker here, with his help. If it was just me on my own, I'd probably make like $15 an hour. I will not be returning to that farm, so I don't know what I'm doing. I drove yesterday, I ended up in Scott's Head, and now I'm in Stewart's Point because I slept here the night. And I'm gonna go home today and get all the stuff that I need, swap things over, leave stuff there, and then decide my next move, because I don't know where I'm going. I don't know what I'm doing. And that is Vanlife for you. If you want to travel, it's kind of constantly in the unknown, in a state of change. So, wish me luck. You know, what I was thinking yesterday, when sort of my plans had fallen apart, I was like, you know, at the end of the day, I still have my van. I still have a safe spot to sleep. I still have my home. Like, I feel very lucky that I have this van of mine. What I would do without it, I don't know. This road here is brand new. Look how smooth that is. It's got skating written all over it. I have decided I'm going for a surf check. Where did I put my keys? So it's now 11:15. I've been procrastinating. I went skating again, and then I started listening to some music and looked at some jobs, and I feel pretty chill now because there's heaps. Let's go! Let's go for a surf check! That was really fun. Righty! I'm dressed. I'm ready to hit the road! Let's go! Going home to see the fan band and emerge. Oh my god, I'm home. Oh my god, I'm actually home. Heck? Okay, I'm gonna go in and surprise my mum right now. I mean, she's seen my car drive up the driveway. Surprise, surprise. Hello, Missy. Hello. So, I just caught up with the fam. It was good. It was really, really good. And my dad just got home. He's like, "What are you doing?" And I told him the story, and he's like, "You know, the only thing predictable about you is that you are unpredictable." I was like, yes. I can't tell if it's a constant state of chaos or just a constant state of change with me, but yeah, everything can change within a matter of a day with me. It's just how it is. So now it's time. I'm gonna have a beer, and I'm gonna go apply for some jobs. Because you know your girl needs to go to work, earn some moolah. Cheers. Look at this place. Look at this. Okay, so I just ran up the hill, so I'm puffing, but I need to put my farm hat on because we're going to be doing farm work. Welcome back. I am no help. I'll stay on this side. Are we helping? No, we're not. Welcome back to the farm. It smells like pee and shit. And I have got shit everywhere. Got shit on my ass. Nasty. Nasty. Hello, Pony. He's my boy. He's my boy. Hello, darling. You look so old now. I know I'm at home when I have a cat in between my legs when I go to get my clothes from the van. Oh, you're leaving, Mojo. So, first day back on the farm, I honestly feel like such a city slicker here. Cows are scurrying, like this one is a crazy looking at die. He's gonna run at me. But tonight I had a bath. Oh my goodness. After months and months and months of gym showers and cold showers on the beach, having a bath, the luxury, felt like a queen. It was amazing. I feel so relaxed now, like ready for bed. And like hanging out with the animals today was really nice too. Like the dogs, the horses, the sheep. Yeah, it's nice to hang out with my family as well. They're amazing people. I love them. So thanks for hanging out with me today. Hope you enjoyed farm life. Good night.